Unveiling the Elite 5 Best Dash Cams of 2023 for a secure ride. Greetings, fellow road explorers. Ever wished for an extra set of eyes on the asphalt? Well, you're in for a treat. I'm Ryan, and today, we're diving headfirst into the top 5 best dash cams of 2023. These cutting-edge devices are here to keep you safe and your journeys unforgettable. Let's hit the road to safety and style. Camera 1, Vantrue N4, Best Front and Rear Dash Cam. Our journey starts with a bang, or should I say, a double bang. Introducing the Vantrue N4, a dash cam with both front and rear coverage. Whether you're admiring the sunrise or navigating the urban jungle, this cam's got your back and your tail. Ready for a safer ride? Check the link in the description for more. Camera 2, Rover 2, Best Dash Cam for most people. Next up, we're diving into the Rover 2, a dash cam for everyone. What's not to love about this gem? It's user-friendly, crystal clear, and ready to roll with you on all your adventures. Plus, its compact size means it won't dominate your windshield view. Ready to make your road trips unforgettable? Links below. Cut to next base 622 gigawatts. Camera 3, Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, Best Mini Dash Cam. Picture this, high-quality recording without the bulk. Enter the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Despite its petite size, this little marvel captures every detail of your journey. From breathtaking landscapes to unexpected surprises, you won't miss a thing. Want big protection in a small package? Links waiting for you. Camera 4, Next Base 622 gigawatts, Best Overall Dash Cam. Now, let's buckle up for the Next Base 622 gigawatts, the dash cam that redefines excellence. 4K recording, intelligent features, and unbeatable performance, it's the total package for the road enthusiast. Say goodbye to blurred memories and hello to clarity like never before. Curious about the king of dash cams? Click that link below. Camera 5, Vantrue N1 Pro, Best Dash Cam for the money. Last, but definitely not least, the Vantrue N1 Pro steals the spotlight for affordability without compromise. It's a wallet-friendly gem that still serves up high-resolution recording, seamless performance, and peace of mind on the road. Searching for quality without draining your funds? You know where to look. Conclusion. And there you have it, my fellow road roamers, the creme de la creme of dash cams for 2023. Before your next journey, weigh your options, hit the links, and choose the cam that's your perfect match. If you found this video to be your pit stop for dash cam wisdom, do us a favor, give it a thumbs up, share the knowledge with your fellow drivers, and smash that subscribe button for more essential content. Until our next drive together, stay safe, keep recording, and may your journeys be nothing short of extraordinary.